should you handle vehicle maintenance and insurance during deployment? If you're a military service member facing deployment, one of the many things on your mind might be what to do with your car while you're away. Let's break down the steps to ensure your vehicle is well maintained and your insurance needs are covered. First, let's talk about vehicle maintenance. When you're deployed, your car will likely be parked for an extended period. To prevent common issues like a dead battery and flat tires, there are a few things you can do. Every week, it's a good idea to have someone start the car, let it idle for at least 10 minutes, and then drive it around the block. This helps keep the battery charged and the tires from developing flat spots. It's also important to check the gas level regularly. Keeping the tank full helps limit rust and corrosion inside the tank. You can even use a gas stabilizer if you're going to be away for a very long time. Monthly checks are also crucial. Make sure to check the oil level, tire air pressure, and fluid levels. Running the windshield wipers with fluid and checking for any leaks in the systems can also help maintain your car's condition. For those who have access to a more comprehensive service, some military bases offer vehicle storage and maintenance programs. For example, the SDV staff at some bases perform monthly maintenance on vehicles, including starting the cars, checking fluid levels, and ensuring the tires are properly inflated. They even notify the soldier if any repairs are needed and get their approval before proceeding. Now, let's move on to insurance. You have a few options when it comes to your auto insurance during deployment. You can continue paying your insurance, cancel it, or suspend it. Continuing to pay your insurance is the most expensive option but has its benefits. It helps maintain your payment history and continued coverage, which can lead to better rates and eligibility standards when you return. Canceling your insurance might seem like the easiest option, especially if you're in a tight financial spot. However, this could result in higher rates or even denial of coverage when you try to get a new policy after your deployment. It also leaves your car unprotected against any potential damages while it's in storage. Suspending your insurance is another option, but it's not available in all states or with all insurance companies. If you choose to suspend coverage, you can typically suspend liability, collision, uninsured, underinsured motorist, and medical payments. However, you may need to maintain comprehensive coverage to protect against weather-related damages or other acts that could harm your vehicle. Before suspending or canceling your insurance, make sure to check with your state's insurance department and your insurance company to understand the specific laws and policy limitations. If necessary, file an affidavit of non-use with your state's Department of Motor Vehicles to avoid fines for failure to maintain insurance. In summary, maintaining your car during deployment involves regular checks and possibly using a vehicle storage and maintenance program. For insurance, weigh the pros and cons of continuing, canceling, or suspending your coverage, and always check the specific regulations in your state. By taking these steps, you can ensure your car is ready for you when you return.